What are you...
Meow, meow, meow.
Can you
meow,
please
meow,
be...
meow, meow, meow,
Are you and I gonna have a problem?
meow.
I will fuck you up, little cat. I will come forth upon your ass like a fire from Satan's scrotum. I will not rain on your parade. I will hire hitmen to jerk off horses on your parade. Then nobody's going to celebrate it. They'll be all like, oh God. Oh God, is this horse semen? And I'll be like, yeah. That's fucking horse semen. No! Dude, that's fucked up. Dude, you're kind of fucked up. God damn.